Greetings. Went to World Market the other day. Spent way too much money. But I consider that my Christmas present to myself. Of course, they have all the goodness for the holidays. So, of course, I went in and got Niederegger marzipan. Best out there. If you know marzipan, you know Niederegger. Of course. But this is a teaser. Ooh, and this is why I went there. A little bit of cherry liqueur. It's like 2 proof. But and then, of course, I discovered chips. So this is going to be a little teaser. I'm going to save that for St. Patrick's Day. Yes, Lay's is doing some sort of Pringles. But this, I've had I've had Mexican Cheetos. I know about the frosted Japanese, but I've never had Chinese Cheetos. Oh, that sounds kind of cool, actually. Chinese Cheetos. So this is